To like Marty, market with another exciting light, not much interesting video here on the channel. So the incoming governor of Abia State actually had an road inspection with the MD of Julius Berger. This is the video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
Yesterday when we had that good condition, so we ourselves we say, why can the president go to only Onisha? Then we try to tell this man to please invite him so that he will come and celebrate with us. Thank you for approving our invitation. Your Excellency, we want to tell you that why we want to see you is that we are hearing so many things about you, and we know you better than any other person. Your Excellency, you have done a marvelous job for all Northerners here in Anambra when you are governor. So we have been very negative and against them. We are asking, is it the people who we know is another person against? Because we know when we have problems in Onisha, you went there and donate to rebuild the mosque. When things happen here, myself, there's a time we are doing about under the Ministry of Agri. We applied. So many people have applied. They said me as a northerner, they will not give me your approval for me. You are the one that signed that, but you have never seen it. So you see, Your Excellency, we want to tell the world that what they are talking about is not true. Your Excellency, you are a true lover of all Muslims. And we have assisted us in doing. Your Excellency tries so much, even our honorable friends, when she comes to campaign in our market. I say, please, I want to see you, Excellency. But if I didn't see you, I have done my best. I cannot do more than what I can do. We have tried to disseminate the information of whom you are to our people all over the nation. Because we know you have done well for us, and we cannot deny that you have done a great job for us. Anybody that is saying something because of politics, we will not agree.